Hey folks, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Marker, and I'm actually doing an enveloping, another one, that is. And what did I get from Priority Mail? What did I get? Well, no chit chat folks. Let's see what I got. Like, right now. Alright folks, so what on earth did I receive in this envelope? Well, two items. One is a signed Friday the 13th autograph, only signed by two of the gentlemen, actor Ari Lehman, who played Jason #1, the boy in the original Friday the 13th, and of course, stuntman actor Ted White. Rest in peace, Mr. White. You will never be forgotten. And of course, you have these two hockey masks right here. That is from Freddy vs. Jason, and this particular one is the Friday the 13th Part 6. And in the middle is the Friday the 13th 2009, played by the great Derek Mears. So yeah, I'm planning to get all the, well, except with the exception of two other guys that are not, well, Betsy Palmer, God rest her soul, she played the mother, and also rest in peace to Richard Brooker, because 10 years ago, in April 8th, he passed away at 58. Right now, he'd be in his 60s by now. Actually, he'd be 69 this year, because he's my grandpa's age. And also, well, who else? Oh yeah, Ted White. Well, I already got his autograph. Right now, Ted White would be 97 this year. And then also, oh yeah, the real Jason, the man himself, the great Steve Dash. Yep, he was the real Jason in Friday the 13th Part 2, but had to replace Warrington Gillette. But like I said before, two guys played Jason in Part 2. I also want to get the same. Yeah, it's too bad I won't get to meet them, and because they're rest in peace now. And I want to meet the ones that are still around. Mike DeLuna, double Richard Brooker in Part 3, Jason #3. If you heard me do the pre-orders, yep, that was him. Also, I want to meet Derek Mears. And well, right now, next month, Spooky Empire. That's going to be October 27th to the 29th. It's gonna be at the Hyatt Regis, so I'm gonna be going there, and I might take this one to have Kane Hodder sign it. I met him like 4 years ago, and he was supposed to come 2 years ago at Sinister Night, but he couldn't make it at that showing on the count of something caught up with him or so. But right now I'm gonna have to meet him to get him to sign this, and also get him to sign a video game and a Blu-ray. And what else? And also, I want to meet Derek Mears. Yes, I said that. And Ken Kernzinger, Glenn Enos, and Douglas Tate. And then, who else? I'm not forgetting, man. Oh yeah, Richard Weand, Dick Weand, that's his name. He played Roy Burns as the ambulance driver. And then Tom Morga, who played the imposter Jason, and the real Jason. And then you got Johnny Hawk, who played Jason in the opening of 5. The real Jason in the opening sequence. And what else? And some of the other, two of the other actors that played the young Jason. So yeah, I'm planning to have this signed to get as many Jason signatures as possible. Oh, well as Vince DeSanti, Dan Kyle, and who else? Jason Brooks. Yep, I gotta get those as well. And let's check out the second item that I received as well. Alright. What I received in this envelope is a yes. Friday the 13th signed custom 8x10 signed by Ari Lehman and Ted White. This is a COA, Certificate of Authenticity. States above that the item has been signed in person by the celebrity and witnessed by celebrity chaser autographs. We have been chasing celebrities all over for over 20 years. All items are signed, guaranteed, 100% authenticated for life. Any questions, please contact. And this is them. So yeah. What is this one right here. Well, this is what it is, folks. This is what I got, folks. So yeah. Well, anyways, yo, like content like this or any other content, click the bell and the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. You have any opinions, comments down below. Any other items you want to know already, they're in the link in the description box down below. And I'm on the YouTube community to notify what time I upload videos. You know, depends on the timing and stuff, and among other things. So check it out daily or maybe every few days or so, or every day if you will. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Enjoy Thursday, and hear you and see you on the next vid. Later, y'all.